Our company exports 95% of our machines. We have grown to have 650 employees with factories in South Africa and India. Additionally, we have service and sales offices in Germany and in the USA. But as we all know, it didn't start here. We have endured by trial and error for 33 years. Let me walk you through our journey that has made us a tech company that is solving an African challenge, that is creating an opportunity to solve problems for the rest of the world. Our adventure in becoming a global tech company, well, starts literally in the garage in 1989 after proudly moving to our first premises. Unfortunately, the first machine built there didn't fit through the door. The second machine fell off the back of a bakkie. That's the beginning of a story that almost never made it here. But we worked hard and grew the company, making our first engine line upgrade for the Ford Rocam in 1989 and the axle assembly line for the C-Class in 1999. As we grew, we delivered much larger assembly lines. For the Polo, we did the engine and the axle line, as well as the Golf engine and axle line for VWSA in between 2000 and 2005. In 2003, we exported our first catalytic converter assembly line to the USA. This was the start of our export journey. Between 2003 and 2005, we exported a BMW XL differential assembly line for ZF in China. We also expanded into different automation industries, such as the food and beverage industries and the pharmaceutical industry.
I think we try to do too much. We stretch ourselves to different industries, different domains. And I think one of the most important things was we thought by growing we could outsource what was fundamental to us. We outsourced design, programming, and our product just deteriorated. And then couple that with the financial crisis, it was really a bad place to be.
Well, we knew that there were a couple of givens. The product and the passion that there was in the company, and that still is there, is really what was the turning point. Found the best people that there were with the right heart. Yeah. It wasn't just brains, it was the team that surrounded me that gave me the faith that we could be successful.
This journey proved to be much harder than expected. We had to make our machines better than world class. Why else would an international customer buy technology from Africa? We had been kicked out of factories in Germany and in the US.
I think the toughest was in Germany, being escorted by security to the gate, not believing that people coming from Africa could actually deliver that type of equipment.
In 2012, with very little capital, we decided to approach a German customer and propose a long shot of an idea. We proposed that we develop a machine for them at our own expense, and only if it worked, they had the option to buy it. Through blood, sweat, and tears, we managed to get it done. The customer loved it and made it the global standard. This was the start of our export model, which since became the blueprint with our international customers. We've become the global standard for many of our customers. We've exceeded our target and grown our company to 95% of our machines being exported. In 2016, we were proud as we extended our global presence by opening another factory in India that has now grown to 250 employees. We are proud of developing technology in another developing country. We wouldn't be where we are without our community, and we are very proud to support a Township Cricket Club and Forever Family Homes. We've sponsored the 2018 Ironman Champion winner and many more. As we continue to grow, we will continue to support the community that has made us who we are as a way of saying thank you. With our relentless focus on technology and the global shift towards the 4th Industrial Revolution, we built Odin to help make the 4th Industrial Revolution more human. Odin Manufacturing digitizes factories, putting the operator at the center of the factory, and Odin Education democratizes digital education for everyone. We are at the start of this new and exciting journey.